హాయ్, నా పేరు షేక్ మహబూబ్ బాషా. హ్యాపీ లర్నింగ్ ఛానల్కు స్వాగతం.
Welcome, sir, madam. This is about an Android app, RecForge 2, which is an audio recording app which gives a MP3 file as the output, which is most useful in video editing. So I downloaded from Play Store. See the name RecForge 2, and the interface is like this. So this is the interface. At the bottom you got some ads, ignore that. So this is not a pro version, so we'll get ads and the time of record will be limited. Go to settings, select the settings, and here the audio record, the very first one. So here use this arrow and select MP3 and don't disturb the other things. Click OK, and here in the first page you can give some file name using the edit name button at the top corner. So these are various options with this button at the top right corner. So the dustbin symbol is to delete the file. You are familiar with that. Now at the right bottom you just click that button, you get this mic button, red color mic button. So by pressing that you can start your recordings. Now I start.
I am Sheikh Mehboob Basha, working as a PGT Physics at AP Model School, Dharmavaram, Anantapuram district. It's very glad to meet you.
So I stopped. Here you got some ads in between. Ignore that. Now we can trim this file. So the audio wave is visible. So wherever you are speaking something and where you are silent, you can identify with this wave. Sliders are one is at the top and one is at the bottom. So adjust the sliders. So I have adjusted to the beginning of this file, and from that three dotted button I have selected a cut option. So the beginning unnecessary part is cut from this file.
I am Sheikh Mehboob Basha, working as a PGT Physics at AP Model School, Dharmavaram, Anantapuram district. It's very glad to meet you.
So I adjusted the sliders, and from this three dotted button I selected a cut option, so that unnecessary time delay part is removed. Similarly, I would like to remove these unnecessary time delay parts. Here it is. I was silent for a moment. I want to remove that part. So observe this. So I'm going to cut option. So that is removed. Each time when it cuts, it removes and saves it as a separate file. Now using the sliders, here it is. So here it is, that unnecessary silent part, delay part I want to remove. So cut selection. Okay. So in this wave itself, we can identify wherever the time gap is more than the requirement. So using these sliders, by adjusting the sliders positions, and that part can be cut as a selection. So like that
I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha, working as PGT Physics at AP Model School, Dharmavaram, Anantapuram district. It's very glad to meet you.
Right? Now we are satisfied. So we want to save this file. So rename this file. Select the pencil mark at the top of this screen. So file new name I'm entering as introduction. So type it as introduction and set OK. So this file will be saved in your gallery. So look at this. So many files are there. We have recorded one and trimmed. Each time we cut a part and each one is saved as a file. But we don't want all these. So at the top we got this file saved as introduction. So in the gallery, if you select music, you can find all these files. So with this regforge symbol, you can see the introduction name, file name at the top. So let us use that file, video editing. So I got a Vlogit app, video editing app, and I went to photos. I'm selecting one photo, and here I go to music, and in this I select from the system. So this introduction file is selected, mp3 file, and I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha, working as PGT Physics. So here the file, audio file is longer than the duration of this picture I have selected. So see this here graphically, the audio wavelength is more than the picture duration. So go to picture, select edit. Here there is a button called duration. So slide this slider. You got appropriate time. If not sufficient, you can add a similar photo. I am exporting. So this is exported, and you make it saved to your gallery.
I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha, working as PGT Physics at AP Model School, Dharmavaram, Anantapuram district. It's very glad to meet you.